Hi everyone, this is Mehroz and today we are here at the National Museum of Computing in Bletchley to attend the AI and ITSM event. So guys, this is where it all began, the birthplace of the modern computing. And we're not just looking back into the history of computing, but also taking a step forward to look into the future of IT service management with the AI to the forefront. Right behind me, you're actually seeing the world's first electronic computer that was invented. Today we will be diving into everything from the world's first computer to the future of AI-driven ITSM.
Well, I mean, this is hallowed ground for the IT community. I think this is where it all began. This is where Alan Turing first started talking about the potential for artificial intelligence.
Well, I mean, firstly, what an amazing place we're in. I spent most of the morning geeking out over old technology. But I suppose, you know, in direct reflection of that, we're talking about the latest cutting edge technology today in terms of AI.
Prompts from teachers and teachers using AI to create their lessons is proving one of the most sort of effective use. So some of the examples that I've seen is there are students that absolutely hate maths, so they'll say, give me an algebra lesson, but help me deliver it in the concept of people that are excited about physical education. And then they'll do it where they'll create that interactive session.
Just spoke about hallucinations. So yeah, it's great that AI uses large language models, natural language to give you great answers, but how do organizations really ensure that the AI powered tools they are using actually provide the reliable and accurate information?
So I think that's one of these scenarios where I think we're talking best efforts. So there are things we can do, and that comes mainly through prompting. So you'll hear a lot about prompt engineering, and it's going to be one of the hot jobs that are in the market. But that's actually where we can control the large language models, for example. So with the systems that I work with, we have extensive prompting, which guides and governs and directs that model into how it should behave.
But with enhanced collaboration, what these AI platforms are doing is they're linking those subject matter experts to the knowledge. So when somebody goes onto the platform and they're asking those questions, it will take you directly to that SME. And this is where collaboration and knowledge sharing will just enhance so much over the organisation.
Am I happy? Am I a bit sad? And that's something like inclination, but also the words that I'm going to use is going to infer how that happens. So it does all of this every time it reads a single sentence, or every time it generates a sentence back, okay? That's the way that it learns, and it's the way that it starts to produce information.
For a long time, we'll need human intervention. I mean, AI is fantastic, but it's not there yet. There still needs to be controls in place to ensure that data privacy and the security of countries, of organisations that will absolutely need a human in the loop.
What were the key takeaways that you got from today's event?
One of the things that they were talking about today is the fact that there still needs to be that human
Loop.
interaction
Yeah.
to make sure that what it's doing is correct.
Yes.
And not like letting it give you
Yes.
false information. I think that's one of the things that's actually really reassuring to hear today, because I think that's one of the areas I worry about a little bit.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
know, how true is this? How good is it?
So tell us what's next after, this AI. We have an evolution of internet, then now we have AI that's driving all the technology further. So what's coming next now?
I think what will come next is the automation of AI. So when we're thinking about the mundane tasks, things that take a lot of time, are human resource heavy, that's where I think a lot of the AI benefits will come in. So it will be that speed to market, that speed of task-driven activity.
Oh God, I just completely forgot what you asked.